Hello everybody, this is Tommy and welcome back to my Physics Weekly Explainer video, and today we're going to be going over problem number 17.24, and it asks, noise cancelling headphones are an application of destructive interference. Each side of the headphones uses a microphone to pick up noise, delays it slightly, then rebroadcasts the noise next to your earwork and interfere with the incoming sound wave of the noise. Suppose you're sitting 1.8 meters from an annoying 110 Hz buzzing sound. What is the minimum headphone delay in milliseconds that will cancel this noise? So you take a look at the illustration to the right. This is supposed to be, well, an ear or something that looks generally like one, I guess. And this is going to be the sound wave that will that your headphones will pick up, and it will delay it as it hits. It will generate a similar wave, and it will shift it slightly in order to get the wave to cancel out, the sound waves to cancel out. So in order to achieve this, it's whenever the original sound wave rises, this new sound wave must lower at the time that it rises, and whenever it lowers, it must rise at the time that it lowers. So this would mean that the waves would just cancel each other out and you wouldn't hear anything. In order to achieve this, we're going to need a delay of about half the period, because if we were to delay it the full period, it would just essentially have the rise of this wave correspond with the rise of this wave, which would just double the sound and create more noise. So we obviously don't want that. But if we do it by only half of the period, we can get this where it will correspond, where the lower parts of this will correspond to the rising parts of this, and the lower parts of this will correspond to the rising parts of this. So the two waves will cancel each other. In order to get this, we know that we don't really need this 1.8 meters because we don't need it to find the period. We only need this, which is the frequency, and we all know that 1 over the frequency is the period, and the delay that we need is about half of the period. So that's going to be 1 over 110 Hertz, and that's going to be equal to our period. And if you plug it into a calculator, that's going to be about 0.00909 seconds. But this is only the period. We need to delay it by half the period. So we take this and we divide it in half. And when we get that, and we get the result of that, it's going to be 0.00454 seconds. And this is going to be how much we need to delay it. In milliseconds, that's going to be 4.54 milliseconds. And this will be our final solution. Thank you.